Hey gang, Puppy here! This is the next in my series on Anybody Can Be a Star on YouTube. Roll on floor, laughing ass off. Yeah, I said, it's not necessarily a human body part. It might be a four-legged beast of burden. Donkeys and that, they're asses. That's a small bit of education for this video. Hi. Okay. An important thing if you're going to be on YouTube is viewer requests. Since you want people to watch you, a viewer says, "Will you do this? Will you explain that?" It's a good idea to do it or explain it if you can. And if you can't, a fantastic, spectacular failure is often even better than professional successful. Keep it short. The average YouTube viewer doesn't have the attention span to watch more than 10 minutes. Unless you're really spectacular. Don't be boring, but don't get nuts. I won't give any examples because I have friends out there and I don't want to lose them. You see my shirt. This is actually my newest shirt. 3 years ago when we were evacuated because the neighborhood was on fire, ended up at my pastor's house. On the way there, we stopped and he made me take this out the clothes closet. As I recall correctly, it used to be his. So the pastor gave me the shirt off his back. I pretty much believe to be an actual fact. Anyway, this is because of a request by Emma of Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop. You should watch her channel. You really should. She does some really nice live steam model work. She's got a Patreon channel. I thought I heard a phone ringing. That's strange. If you have radical views or just controversial views, you should probably keep them low key. If you make 95% of all your videos ranting about your personal situation, you're not showing the woodworking or the metalworking or how to string those beads, unless people are really into that special thing you're ranting 95% of your time about, the only people watching you are going to be the ones trying to figure out who you are so they can mess with you and screw up your life. Because not everybody likes every kind of people. So if you can be low-key. Then again, if you want the attention of go for it. See how far that gets you. You know, and people talk about making money on YouTube. Unless you got a business and you're using YouTube as a free advertising for your product or service, that, that's sort of, you know, people say, go to my webpage elsewhere and you can buy my merchandise, right? As if I recall correctly, YouTube said you can't use YouTube to ask for money. Advertisers. Well, advertisers ain't going to advertise on a channel where no one looks. You're too controversial or uninteresting. You know, I keep on saying good things about WD-40. You think they decided to contact me and say, hey, we want to sponsor you? So, don't expect to get rich, baby. Anyway, I'm going to go now.